Good day everyone. Today tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mabalik ang live stream button nyo sa Shopee Live. So, panoorin nyo ito hanggang dulo dahil sobrang maiksi lang ito. So, una, mag-appeal kayo sa Shopee and kapag approve yung appeal, makaka-receive kayo ng ganitong email na invitation Shopee Live onboarding. Sabi dito, kindly note that receiving this email means that you're eligible to join onboarding webinar. So, register her first before you get the sublink. So, meron dyang link. I-click nyo yung link and ayun, i-fill up nyo yung mga details na hinihingi ni Shopee. Then, after that, ayan, darating na sa inyong email yung confirmation ng webinar, which is Wednesday. Laging Wednesday yan. Then, kapag dumating na kayo, ayan, halimbawa, nakapag-take na kayo ng webinar, which is 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Ayan. After that, 6 p.m., before mag-8, makaka-receive kayo ng email, which is yung link para sa quiz. So, nandito yung quiz na possible na ma-receive nyo. Ayan, may mga sagot na din yan, 1 to 10. And take note na dapat out of 10 makakuha kayo ng 8 na score. So, ang deadline niyan is hanggang kinabukasan na 10 a.m. Kung na-receive nyo ngayon, ayan, sagutan nyo na din and i-double check nyo kung same tayo ng na-receive na quiz. So, if you fail to reach 80% passing rate, you can try again on the next webinar. So, every week, isang beses lang ang schedule nila. So, every Wednesday. So, ayan, number 1 na question, para ma-ensure ang smooth and successful na live, you need to prepare these things before you stream accept. And ang sinagot ko yung pangalawa. So, pangalawang question, what are the things na pwede kong ibenta during live stream? More than one answer daw. So, ang sagot ko ay, chinek ko lahat. Ayan, next na question, if wala akong item on hand, what can I still to do to create successful live stream? Ang sagot ko, study and research deals found in Shopee, talk about items on your Shopee bag or wish list, and try studying OVS or PC. The next question, number 4, how can you catch their attention as suggested in Expand Rich Tips? Ang sagot ko lang, create unique live selling content to let your viewers stay and watch. So, pangalawang tanong, according to the Expand Rich Tips, why it is habit and consistency important? So, ang sagot ko, it builds a loyal audience and set expectation. Number 6, how can you make your product solution na mas relatable sa viewers mo? Ang sagot ko ay connect a common problem to the product. Ayan. Number 7, in the new penalty system, anong mangyayari sa Shopee account mo during the second violation? So, ang sinagot ko po is permanent ban in live stream. And pag 8 na tanong, pag pagkaka-violation nga tag as low quality if your live stream show these examples except, ayan, kasi may lahat yung tama except sa isa. So, host talks about your product and vouchers during live stream. And number 9 na tanong, ayan, si number 9. Ayan, and so on. Number 10, nandiyan naman, basahin nyo na lang po, which is, ayan. So, after nyo ma-receive, makapag-submit ng quiz, the following day, meron na yung email sa inyo kung kayo ay pasado or hindi. Kung pasado kayo, ang sabi niyan, kung pasado kayo, this is to confirm that you passed the Shopee Live onboarding quiz. Please expect to get your live stream access back within the week. Congratulations and happy streaming. Pero kung failed naman kayo, ang email ni Shopee ay, we regret to inform you that you did not pass the Shopee Live's onboarding quiz. However, we encourage you to attend the next webinar and retake the exam. So, ayun lang naman ang tutorials ko para kayo makapasa sa onboarding quiz and live stream ni Shopee na re-require para makakaroon kayo ng live stream button at maibalik yung mga live stream button nyo. So, hope nakatulong itong aking tutorial. Thank you so much.